Hello everybody, welcome to Arm Candy. I hope you're all okay and having a lovely week thus far. We've got for you today this lovely Prada zipped wallet and it's black and it's got gold hardware and it's gorgeous. This is a real beauty. It's not quite a continental size, but that's why I love it even more because it is not too big. I am a small purse person and this is the perfect purse, I think, for fitting in your bag and taking every day. It's gorgeous. I'll show you what it comes with because this one's a treat. So it comes with the Prada gift bag that it was bought with, and then you've got the Prada box, and inside the box you've got the Prada tissue paper here. You've also got the protective fabric that wraps round the purse. You can see where the pin stud, the press stud, goes through. So it's still got the protective fabric to keep it in the box with. Then in here, you've got the authenticity card and a faux credit card in the little envelope. And then we've got the receipts in here. It was bought in Dublin. So there you go. And then you've got the tissue paper and the box as well. So there is a lot involved in this little purse. I love it when it comes with all the little bits and bobs. It makes it feel like a real treat. And I love that box. It's so luxurious, isn't it? Really gorgeous. So let's talk about the features of it. Purses are quite hard to work your way through and explain, but I'm going to try my best. So it sort of comes with three sections. We'll start first of all with this one. So you've got the little press stud fasten. You open that up, and inside there you've got 10 card slots, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 flat pockets. So there's a flat pocket there, flat pocket there, flat pocket there, 10 card slots. And then another section here is where all your notes and receipts go. So that runs all the way along the back of the purse. And then the final section is this front section here where you've got the zip, which zips on the top and then down one side. And then inside there, you've got 2 compartments for coins or medicines or whatever you want to use it for. So it's a very usable purse, it's very handy, and it's also not too big. It's a medium-sized purse with a lot of space in it. Of course, you've got the gorgeous Prada logo hardware there. So yeah, it is a gorgeous purse. I'll tell you about the condition of it. So the external condition I have called good. There's nothing really to point out to you, but there is a few signs of wear. The corners all look good, but there are a few marks. There's a little scratch just there, but nothing else really to point out to you. But that's why we've called it good and not excellent, because there are a few marks to it, but it still looks amazing, doesn't it? You really, really can't see them unless you are looking super closely or have supervision. So exterior, good condition. Interior, I've said, is very good condition. Again, nothing really to point out to say why it's not excellent, but there may be a few signs of wear, but I think it still looks fantastic, to be honest. So that's why I've called it very good. Nothing to show in there. So that's very good, and I've also called the hardware good too. The reason being that the Prada has slightly lost a little bit of its gold. You have to really look hard to see though. Just on that little P there and maybe a tiny bit on the A. But still looks very good. So that's why I called that good, just because of the little bit of discoloration there, but it still looks fantastic. So this is a gorgeous purse in a gorgeous condition and comes with a gorgeous amount of extra goodies too. So if you love this Prada purse and you want to have it in your handbag, have a look at it on our website. We'll put the link to it in the description below. There'll be the price, the sizings, whatever. And when you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter so you can get 5% off this Prada purse or whatever else you fancy in our Arm Candy shop, if you can see behind us. So make sure you sign up to the newsletter. You don't have to use it straight away. You can save it, so you can get it now and spend it whenever you want, but it's sometimes nice to just have it, so you're not panicking about getting it when you want to buy something immediately, because stuff really does come in and out so quickly. So yeah, newsletter, website, Instagram. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at @KennyBagCo. We'll put the link to that in the description below too. When we have new stuff come in, it goes straight on Instagram. You can see when we get boxes, we put it on our stories, so it's a really good way to keep up with the new stock that we're getting in. As well, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. As soon as a bag goes on our website, a video will go up on our YouTube. So make sure you set alerts so you know if the bag that you want is going on YouTube or going on online, so that you can get on it straight away. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you all have a lovely weekend.